Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WFT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday on Wednesday, and this thing just has continued to bounce. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but I kept doing this video over and over again, and it reached the point where it was totally understandable for someone to say, why do you keep following this? All it does is go down. And I said, these stocks, especially when they reach this penny stock area, when they bounce, they can put together some very nice bounces, and it's about time. The bounce has finally arrived, and now it's just kind of a question of continuing to measure the overall strength of the bounce. So the first area, and one of the newer areas of support going forward, is going to be right up here at 31 cents, and that's what I would call the ideal level of support. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 31 cents. With that being said, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 31, I'm not saying that implies this total bounce is ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can maintain up above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a bigger picture point of view, keep an eye on the purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to start to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way, yet very simplistic, is just to watch, is to watch that purple line and to measure the health of the bounce. This, of course, being defined as quote unquote the bounce. Just watch a purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? That is, really the straightforward way to measure the current status of the upwards movement. As far as where the sellers are now hanging out at and where the battlegrounds going forward are, let's see, where's the price stand? So right here at 33 cents is that current level, and makes sense why the price is struggling with it right now. You go back here and you can see that was the top portion of this little consolidation area right here. And once again, struggling with it. Not saying it can't be broken, but just saying it makes sense why that level is currently kind of holding the price back. If the price can push through 33 cents, next key overall area of resistance right up here around the 36-cent mark. So these will be the next couple hurdles to keep an eye on. Anyway, look at it though, the bounce continues, and like I said, the easiest way to measure the health of the bounce, just keep your eye on that purple line, and as long as the price can stay above it, the bulls are in full control. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.